It's Marburg.
Good morning, this is Brandon Bayless and this is your nightly news. Coming to you live from Bismarck, North Dakota, we have some disturbing news for you tonight. 2 cats were stuck in a tree, and the Russians have invaded New York Harbor. In lighter news, a rare disease has broken out in Hensel, Ontario. A strain of the Marburg virus has broken out following the local world-famous bean festival. Over 250 people have died so far, and over 100 have been hospitalized. This disease has had a devastating effect on a small town of only 1,100 people. The Canadian Centre for Disease Control and Distribution in Canada, otherwise known as the CCDCDCC, suggests that the disease originated in an earlier outbreak in Angola, Africa. The Canadian and American governments are working together to try to stop the disease from spreading onto American soil. Many Americans are worried about the spread of the disease since it has already shown up in major cities such as Toronto. Let's take a closer look with our field reporter in Detroit. Zach?
Thanks, John. The concern that most Americans have is the high mortality rate of the virus. In the few short weeks since the Bean Festival, 250 citizens have already passed away, and 100 more are being hospitalized.
Thanks, Zach. And now a report from our CDC correspondent.
This is the Marburg virus. It is RNA-based, and it looks like a worm. It is a single strand of RNA, and it's kept within a long strand of nucleoproteins, which take a helical shape. These are contained within a matrix with a polymerase complex protein, glycoprotein, extend from the outside of the protein. The virus uses a lytic cycle to reproduce. Its RNA replicates in the host cytoplasm and is then used to form new viruses. It does not fuse with the host's genome and is fatal to the host. The host range includes humans and non-human primates, notably the African green monkey, and more importantly, bats. Listen. In 1967, simultaneous outbreaks in Germany and Yugoslavia, which is now Serbia, resulted in 31 cases and 9 deaths. Pretty weak. A larger outbreak occurred in the Democratic Republic of the Congo between 1998 and 2000, resulting in 149 cases and 123 deaths. While no antiviral therapy has yet been approved, patients typically receive supportive treatment that attempts to remedy and mitigate some of the symptoms of the virus. But what they should really do is face that all of us will die in the end. The primary mode of transmission is via close contact with an infected individual or animal or their bodily fluid. No data shows that it can be spread through the air yet. To protect you, the Canadian government will be closing its borders, which means that no one will be able to leave Canada or enter. The affected individuals will be quarantined within their homes.
So where did it come from?
Bats.